Hi, I'm Brett.
Hi, I'm Volta.
And we're here to introduce the Word of the Year Watercolor Workshop in Dallas.
We are so excited to have you guys join us. It's going to be a fun event with a lot of creative exercises and mindfulness, and you're just going to leave super refreshed and excited for the new year.
So Volta, why Word of the Year versus resolutions?
I prefer Word of the Year because it helps you stay more intentional throughout the year, and you don't have to rely on necessarily sticking to something on a daily basis. You just have that small reminder that you can stick with.
Yeah, I find that resolutions kind of make you feel bad. I make them every year and then break them by mid-January. But a Word of the Year is something that you do voluntarily that sums you up in your creativity and intention for the year. So it's like a friend there looking at you from your bathroom mirror or wherever you're going to stick this thing up every day to say, hey, remember what we talked about? Let's stay on track this year and have a good year.
You should totally join us. We have a few limited seats available.
Get in quick, the link's below, and we'll see you there.